was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two, oh conclusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji House of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji House of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, oh confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion.
This one that are doing like somebody was giving sleeping giants. So,
leave me alone.
How can I leave you? How can? So don't you know that you are my sweet dodo, my one and only?
Chief, the sun is up.
And so, look, this is the best time for loving giants. Come, Bo, as if it does not suit you. Come, my sweet, succulent, yellow banana.
At all.
So, look, please. What? Where do you like this okoro love? Come, Joe.
Small now. Someone will hear also.
Let them hear. Come, Bo. Come, Joe.
Chief, it's early Monday morning, and I don't want to do any show for your multitude, eh?
Come, Bo.
The children will...
Let them hear. Come, Joe. Please go. Come, Bo, as if it's not sweeting you.
At all.
My sweet yellow banana. Please go. What? My begging for
Chief, are you alright? This one I greet you early this morning and you abuse me. Are they annoying you? Well, I've just come to tell you that I'm cooking veal and chive crivet for your breakfast, and that whenever...
Ireti, if I should meet you, Ireti, if I should meet you there, peace, come, peace, now, peace, peaceful peace, my peaceful peace, come now, please, oh, please, peaceful peace. All right, we shall continue from where we stopped. Peaceful peace, my sweet yellow tomato. Peaceful peace, peaceful peace. A peaceful peace. Ọkọ rere lọ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ aya òfé. Ọkọ rere lọ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ aya rẹ̀. We are peace tonight. Oh, do I go to work or do I not go? I'll be waiting. Ọkọ rere lọ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ aya. Today is Fuji family request day. I'm dead. The cost of running this family self. Only God knows how much they are going to ask for. It's a lie. 500. Yes. This is the. If I give 150, that is still part of it. 450. Okay.
Chief, Jumoke has not finished writing her request. Yes.
Too bad though. The deadline is up.
Chineke, Chief, when did you put a deadline?
Just now. So her request will have to wait until next Monday.
Na lie, yo. Na lie. She will bring her request, oh. Bolaji will bring. Yejide will bring. Fati will bring. Mati, Tolu, all of them will bring. And you had better grant them their request, oh. Otherwise, you won't see me tonight.
Peace. Peace. You are now for sale, eh? You are now for sale. All right. From now, I hereby suspend your wig until further notice.
Chineke, Chief.
Sure. You this artificial yellow pawpaw.
Chief, you will come and beg me. You will come and beg me. Stupid father of battalion. It is easy to have the children. Train them inside. Okay. If you don't give them their request, if you don't, you will see. We shall see. And fear.
Party be fast now, we'll be late for school.
Now shit today, I better come out today, Joe. Nonsense.
You will just fall down. You just fall down.
I'll break that door. Party be fast now.
You will just fall down.
Jumoke, what are you doing there?
Good morning, mommy.
Morning, Kuko. I said, what are you doing there?
I'm waiting to have a bath. I'm behind the line.
With your novel. What?
Hey! Mommy, I just waited.
Junior Hitler.
Mommy, I just
Hitler.
Rebel leader.
Party, I better come out.
Who hit my head? Who knocked my head? So you're the one, So you're the one.
Stop that nonsense, Stop that nonsense,
not bad. God, I'm on board. Cha. They should come and carry me. They should come and carry me and just sell. In this time of scarce money, only peace children want 20,000. If I give only peace children 20,000 naira, what will the others get? How much will remain? All right, let them come and. In fact, I will show them. Let them come and carry me to sell. They are people. Come and carry me.
What is this?
Oh, this is for your information and necessary action.
Are you do cinema show?
Kumbi, try and register for adult education. Yeah?
Chief, where is the request? Where is it? Where is the money for the room? Oh, Chineke. What is that?
Adult educate.
Adult education. What can I give you? Family census. This man has totally lost his grey matter.
Artificial yellow purple. Don't insult our husband.
Police, Elisa, concentrate on feeding the multitude. Because if you come to my corner, I will use you for corner kick.
You cannot do anything. You can't do anything to me. Ishiralaga Ishirabogo.
Ireti, what are you cook here?
Mommy, it is cheese and child savory sauce.
Don't poison the children. No.
Who is giving it to them? It is for chief.
No wonder he smelt it and took off.
Number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of promotion. They like the corn plantation. Fuji House of
Is it not spoiled?
preaching practical solution.
You can have it.
Fuji House of promotion.
The smell itself is okay. I beg, you still have the memory of yesterday? Hey, boil it for me so that the children will shop go to school. Hey, these children will date for school again. Children! Children, you are late for school, oh! Children! Food is ready, oh! My dear, what is my dear? Oh my God, go!
Don't touch my food.
You don't see? Bring soup now. Somebody's there before. So you took double ration, eh?
Let me give my steal.
How will he know?
He knows. He's our father.
Oh, dear. Mommy.
Why is he coming to count us? You know, maybe he wants to share his property.
Who said that? He said.
Mufu, since when did you become Ola?
Do you want to hear the story?
Sorry.
See, who said that? He said that.
We've had that before.
Ola said that. Hitler said Papa is coming back for this shares property.
How can? But everybody's not here. Where are you going?
To get ready to get my share.
But my mother and brothers and sisters are not here.
Go and get them for 4:30.
I hope it is well.
How will it be well when you just walked in, Eva? Eh? Don't go and cook that your catering practical, so we can at least breathe while we are here.
Jealous. Ishiralaga Ishirabogo. You are only jealous because you can prepare only akpu and those green leaves. I can make food fit for a king. The fact that you people do not appreciate my culinary expertise is evidence that you are all very bush.
Who are you calling bush? Come here, let me show you who is bush. Lele Zanza baby mix.
Okay, everybody, quiet. All of you settle down. Settle down. This is serious business. Settle down. This is serious business. Now, the purpose of this census
Can we hear him?
Is to determine how many we are in this family so that we can get rid of the ghost wives and ghost children so that the scarce resources can go around equally to the members of the Fuji family.
Have we finished sharing the property?
Which property are you sharing?
Rabi, you say you are sharing your property by 4:30.
Rabi, when did you become a rumor monger? Talk now before I beg it for you.
It was Mufu. No, don't mind him, Papa. It was Fei.
No, Papa, it was Ola. No, Papa, it was. I heard it from.
Radio without battery. Junk journalist. One of these days, I am going to send you to Sierra Leone so that you can gossip proper. Anyway, as I was saying, let all the wives line up here.
Jeez.
Come out now or your head will not be counted. Now, let all the children line up behind their mothers. Now we will know the ghost children and ghost wives.
See, all my children is not here.
Are all my own here? Yejide is not here.
No child.
I'm not a ghost wife, oh. I'm not a ghost wife, oh.
Shut up. All right. All those miscellaneous children, line up behind Ireti. Come on, line up. Come on, sir, quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I know exactly how to apportion my weekly allowance.
So you mean Ireti will get more money than me, eh, Chief?
As your children, so shall your allowance be.
Tia, this is no good, oh.
Mommy, why bother? Let CP give them her mede.
Yes, so Mufu, don't beg me for a bow.
Don't mind them. I will prepare something special that you will love for you.
Hey, come on, we all go back. Look, if you don't go back there, you can go and find your own mothers so she can prepare food for you. Go back. Come on, go back there. You will remain there. Yeah. Go back there. What are you doing here?
We hear you are sharing our property.
What property? Who told you they are sharing any property?
Yeah. Oh.
Order! We shall continue this discussion tomorrow.
At all.
What?
Alayo, we have to discuss it today.
Oh, serious?
We have to discuss it before who no go no, and someone will go on a journey of no return.
Please, are you planning my death?
Now you talk that one, no. All I'm saying is that we have to discuss how to train the children in case. That's all.
All I called you here for was for a census, not to share any property.
Tia, I think what Peace want to say is...
Don't think. You caused all this with your gossip. So all you women want me to die so you can share my property. You are planning my death so you can share my property.
How can? How can we do such a thing?
All we want is for you to share your property now that you are alive. Should in case, supposing if...
And you too, Salome.
People with children want to know their children's future.
And people who are hoping to have children too.
Oh, and you are saying that you should not share the property.
It just must, because I just have to know where I am.
Look at this vulture planning to share my property. If I share my property now that I'm alive, what will I have left?
Just must.
I'm going to show them. Hey, quiet! My begging for all of you.
Yes, to share the property. Because all this one, what does it mean by
no, I said no noise.
Why?
No noise.
Why?
Well, all right.
Why should I?
No noise.
No noise now.
Quiet. Tia, we have quiet.
All right.
Come and talk to us.
I have to go out. So we shall continue this discussion.
Tia,
Baba Gbero, why now?
Yes, why Baba talk me?
Baba, please, let us finish this discussion once and for all.
No, I have to go and get the other women to represent their children's interests before we share the property.
So, Chief, there are other women in Chief.
Yes. Yes. How can't? Mo, did he fall from the sky?
But you told me that he was your father's brother's daughter's child.
Olanko, did I fish her out of the river? What of Mufu, Abike, Ali, etc. Did you think I found them when I split firewood? Salome, your own son, Tope, does he live here with me? So you people should just sit down here. I am going to get the other mothers so that we can have a genuine Fuji family meeting. If you people cannot wait for me, go to your houses or go to your bed and sleep.
Hey.
This chief said.
What do you mean this chief said?
Yes. What do you mean this chief said? It is people like you that come to our house to cause confusion.
What do you mean people like you? Answer me. She talk to you, She talk to you. When they talk about that, so women begin to panic. Who is an old woman? You. Who are you calling an old woman?
You.
An old person.
What do you think you are doing?
An old woman. Wait, all you external affairs. Who is an external affairs?
Look at all of them. They will come here to come and harass our husband. Imagine all of them.
He was happy inside. What was he looking outside for?
Don't
mind them. Husband destroyed.
That's not
Talk with your mouth.
Yes.
I say just do it woman to woman. Yes. No fighting, no. You can curse yourself. You can abuse each other well. But no fight or destroy of general property. And I like born.
Kunle, what kind of talking? How dare you talk to her like that?
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, pollution. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of promotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji House of promotion. Creating practical solutions, a Fuji House of promotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of promotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji House of promotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji House of promotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion. Yeah. A Fuji House of promotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.